I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I already got my intercooler pretty well where it's going to be. I got it, well, this is where it's going to be. I got it tacked up already. I'm going to leave these on until I put a couple more welds on, but I figured I'd do a quick video on this and just give you a little update on the whole car. And I know it's been a while. I just starting next year, I want to take a new approach at the whole video thing, get a better camera system, because I hate this GoPro. It sucks. So, but let's get this thing welded on and I'll show you some more. Auto lens doesn't work in these lights. That looks pretty good. Not bad with the one hand. Yeah, I'll get you guys up personal for this one. Hang on. Alright, welcome back. As y'all know, it's better to stitch weld. You don't want to just weld that all the way around, because the stitch weld is actually stronger than the solid weld, and that way if one of your weld does happen to fail and crack, you know that crack ain't gonna follow. It ain't gonna skip this gap here and jump to your next one. Just put it in an easy term, but that's why you see a lot of stitch welding, and you wonder why stuff ain't welded solid. That doesn't need to be. Probably give that a once over there. Kind of burn a little bit of course, pour, but that's alright. Whoa. Wire. Well, that's about all I'm gonna do on this one, but look. It's mounted. Hang on, I'll take all that stuff off here and I'll show the engine and stuff. 'Cause it looks pretty damn good. Quiet that down, but hang on, let's move the jacks in so it's a, oh, look at that, under its own weight now. Yeah, I think those welds will do. I am going to do the inside a little bit, but I'm gonna change my wire. But there you go, looking good. I got the so intercooler's mounted now. Throttle body, all that stuff's on. I'm waiting on the power steering pump bracket. I got my power steering pump there. Still got to get alternator. There is the bracket though, and I got an old alternator down there for mock-up and my core. Motionraceworks catch can. Still got to route everything on it, but there's my dual electric fan set up here, and then I guess I got my, remember, on a foxbody, for your thumb there and push it down as you're pulling up. Got a little time, never gets old, but Cleese edition steering wheel installed. There we go. But looking good. I still got to get it aligned and everything, but it's coming along. Looking good, looking good. I've got to get that sucker mounted up, and I know it's a big ass intercooler, but so alright, thanks for watching this short little video. And like I said, starting beginning of the year, I'm gonna get a little bit better approach at it, get some better cameras, and alright, thanks guys for watching. Hope you like the build so far, and got any compliments or anything, let me know. So bye.